How to change the color of your app icons in iOS 18. Let's get started. Tired of the default colors on your iPhone's app icons? With iOS 18, you can customize your home screen by changing the color of your app icons. Here is a simple step-by-step guide. Press and hold on anywhere on the screen. With that, you have just enabled customizable mode. Now click on the option of edit given at the top left corner. Different options will appear. Click on the option of customize. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find the option of light, dark, automatic and tinted. Using these options, you will be able to change the app icon colors. Set it to dark. It will be converted to the dark mode. Set it to tinted. You can use these sliders to change the app icon colors, just like these icons, and select the color of your choice. You can set it to blue, pink, yellow, any color that you would like. Just use these sliders. Once you are done, you can click on anywhere on the screen. With that, it will be saved. So this way you can easily change the color of your app icons in iOS 18. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.